We know that there's a strong genetic component to this disease. Back in the 1970s and 80s, researchers were trying to find that one particular obesity gene, but they found that there's not just one gene, but there are multiple versions of genetic sequences in a particular region in chromosomes that increases your patient's risk or person's risk for an elevated BMI. So it's really more complex than we had thought. It's not just that one gene. So that's one factor, right? Also, but what else has changed? In the last 40 to 50 years, there's been a change in behavior of people. There's decrease in physical activity, change in how we sleep, dietary preferences. There's also a change in our microbiome, and children are being born later in life, change in physiology. There's also been a lot of change in terms of medications. A lot of these medications that have come about in the last 4 to 5 decades, they have a propensity to cause weight gain. And on top of this, we haven't even touched on environmental changes as well. There's easier access to high calorie dense foods, as well as there's chemicals and hormones in our food. Now, I think also in the light of the last 5 years with the pandemic, food comes to us now. That probably has catapulted an increased rise of obesity in the last, just in the last 5 years.